Okay, what we're gonna start with first? We'll start with the wall. Okay, the hood tile been coming in handy. What we did was we put bleach in here and let it sit for like 3 days. That wasn't swamp water, that was just clean the water, clean the sink out. Everything over here clean, beloved. Now give me what I want. I did what y'all want me to do. Now go shop online right now. Hood me. You finna get that now. Alright, so this all our cleaning supplies right here. First we're gonna grab these. Damn, scared to go up in this motherfucker. Oh my God, y'all. Oh my God, bro. So look, this is what we're about to do. Everything is going in the trash. Target bites? It's a dead body. Hey, this gonna be like 10 parts of this right here. Oh my God, it's so stinky. Thank you. Good thing about this is we finally got our lights back on. Hoodway. Light bit up part. Oh yeah, we're going back in. Shit! Funky as fuck! Oh, what the fuck? Megan threw up in there? Damn. Yeah, I swear to God, this shit is so stinky. I can't even breathe right. No! Oh, I gotta breathe.
That's a good shit, like.
Going back in. Cause y'all think I'm over exaggerating, bro. This mac and cheese is funky. We almost done getting it off. Oh! What is this? Oh! Next supplies. Oh, yes, sir. Like this video for part 3. Part 3. Yes, sir. Bet you, I promise you this whole bottle gonna be used for days. What the fuck? My dad did die. Oh my God, you dancing at me, bitch. Oh my God. Oh, this shit can spray every last one. Go that whole again to my mind. Double check this one. Oh my God, we gotta start our sauces over. Okay, we gotta dump it. We'll be right back. Like this video for part 4. Part 6. Like I said, you just want to keep spraying. There ain't nothing left in the box. You know what? Fuck this shit. Drown this motherfucker in there. You want to get this? Oh, yes, sir. Let's get it. Elbow grease. Yes, sir. Damn, I forgot we ain't got no water. How the hell we gonna, bro? How we gonna rinse this shit? You know what? Yes, sir. Take it with us. Yes, sir. Yes. Like this video for part 7, we getting it. Yes, sir. Woo! Part 8. Yes, sir. That's time, man. Still funky. We put an insect in this motherfucker. Yes, sir. This motherfucker still funky.